In this video we will be replacing the battery from Buzz Lightyear action figure. The only tools that we would need is a small Phillips head screwdriver. We will also need two AA batteries. The batteries are located behind this jetpack section. Simply pull on the jetpack cover to separate the cover. This cover is being held on with these ball and socket mechanism. Using the Phillips head screwdriver, loosen the screw and remove the battery cover. There are two AA batteries inside. You can find inscriptions inside showing the battery type and the orientation of the battery. Next, put in fresh batteries. Remember to put them in the correct orientation. Put the battery cover back and tighten the screw. Next, align the jetpack cover back on, and gently press so that the ball and socket mechanism locks on. Next, check to see that your Buzz Lightyear is back on. Hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.